Hi friends, are you looking for the 5 best Lipo battery charger? Then you are in the right place in this video. So let's get started our video. Number 5. ISDT D2 Marquee 200W12A2 AC Dual Channel Balanced Charger Discharger for 1-6 SRC Multirotor Aircraft Drone Lipo Battery. Feature: Wild Rang AC input, industrial level power management. 200W of dual channel output, without internet from each other. Unexceptionable performance on the power space ratio. SKYRC specially designed for smart charging OS. Support multiple languages, totally localized. Number 4. ISDT K4128S Lithium Battery Smart Charger 20A600W AC/DC Independent Dual Mode Dual Channel for Lipo Battery Charge RC Toy. Model No. K4 Max. Charging power, AC 400W/DC 600W X2. Abnormal voltage alarm, support. Incorrect cell count setting alarm, support. Number 3. HOTA 400 Pro Lipo Battery Charger DC 400W AC 200W12 X2 RC Charger Discharger for LiHV Life LiIon NiZn NiMH PB Lipo Battery. It can charge 2 different kinds of batteries simultaneously. Multifunction, high power, utilizing 3.2-inch color LCD touchscreen display, easy operation, built-in cooling fan.
The operating system in the ultra-power UP120 AC is optimized to control its electrical current automatically during both the charging and discharging processes. This minimizes the possibility of problems like overloading and explosions. It features a convenient fast charge mode and built-in beep and buzzer alerts, but it doesn't have an on-off switch.